The watt-hours interactive calculator solves a critical engineering problem we face daily, converting between power, time, and energy units while accounting for battery characteristics and operating costs. Whether you're sizing battery banks, calculating runtime, or determining energy costs, this tool handles the complex relationships between these variables. Let's explore the calculator's inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate energy in watt-hours, calculate power in watts, calculate time in hours, calculate battery runtime, calculate energy cost, and calculate required battery capacity. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate Battery Runtime. The input fields include power in watts, time in hours, energy in WH, battery voltage in volts, battery capacity in AHAV, efficiency percentage, depth of discharge percentage, cost per kilowatt hour in dollars, and desired runtime in hours. Not all fields are required for every calculation mode. Here's a practical example. I'm calculating runtime for a backup power system. I'll enter power, 250 watts for my load, battery voltage, 24 volts, battery capacity, 100 amp hours, efficiency, 90%, and depth of discharge, 80%. After clicking calculate, the battery runtime shows 6.9 hours. The outputs include energy, power required, time, battery runtime, energy cost, required battery capacity, and amp hours. These values update based on your selected calculation mode, giving you the specific engineering data needed for your application. One critical insight: always account for efficiency losses and never discharge batteries below their recommended depth of discharge. This dramatically extends battery life. Find the link in the description below.